Again, this song is also completely upasanatmakam. Is English okay or shall I do in Telugu? English, huh? Okay. Have you seen the symbol for medicine, medical symbol? So there are two snakes. Actually, it goes like this, and then there is a stem, and then big lotus on the top. Have you seen? Anywhere, actually, the doctors, they use that symbol. You know what is that symbol? Two snakes are Ida and Pingada, and the center one is spinal column, and the top flower is Sahasrara, because 1,000 petals lotus. Not in India. Anywhere in the world, that is the symbol used for medicine. A spine, Ida, Pingada, and also those snakes cross 6 times. First, the beginning at the tail, and then another 5, and the last one, Sahasrara. The both heads will go. And the Mooladhara Chakra to Sahasrara, Shat Chakras. Even in the Western medicine, they use the same symbol, Shat Chakras. When a snake is sleeping, if you move it with a stick, it may move and it lifts the head. But if you want to stimulate the snake, all of a sudden what to do? The best way is push it on its tail, and immediately it lifts its head. That is the upasana that is the upasana rahasya. Mooladhara chakra, it is there in the bottom. Under the Mooladhara chakra, always that snake, it is rounded there and sleeping. And once you stimulate that snake, means that Sushumna Nadi, it goes until the Sahasrara chakra, and once it reaches the Sahasrara chakra, in Saundarya Lahari, Shankaracharya says, Sinchanti Amurta Varasham, it wets the all 72,000 nadis in the body. And comes down all the way down to the Mooladhara chakra, but it's not sleeping, because the Upasaka, he has that energy, the Chaitanya. And that Mooladhara chakra, Adhisthana Devata is Ganapati. So what he says is, for any Upasana, without worshipping Ganapati, you cannot get success in Upasana. Mooladhara chakra Ganapati. He is the Mooladhara Adhisthana Devata. Amulya Varapradayaka. If you have Ganapati Prasadam, you can get everything in your life. Moola Ajnana Shoka Vinashaka. What happens when you start the Upasana and the Mooladhara chakra, when it gets stimulated, and when it comes up from Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana, when it comes up, your Ajnana will go. Your Ajnana will go in the Upasana. Moola Ajnana Shoka Vinashaka, Moola Kanda Mukti Pradayaka. And finally, when it reaches the Sahasrara, that is Mukti. Even Devi travels from there, from Mooladhara chakra to the Sahasrara, and then she stays there, Patya Saha. She stays along with the Shiva in Sahasrara chakra. So first Mooladhara chakra, we have to worship Ganapati in the Mooladhara chakra, and then only you have to start Upasana. Mooladhara Sthitam, in the other Vatapi Ganapatim Bhaja, Trikona Madhyagatam. These are all Upasana Rahasyas. Prakatiyikruta Vaikhari Swabhava. Again, if you want good walk, if you want the ability to speak well, you have to have Ganapati Kripa. Because Para Pashyanti Madhyama Vaikhari, there are 4 levels for speech. First is para. Para means even before you think what to talk, even I don't know after 5 minutes what I talk, that is called Parashakti. It is there, but I don't know. Even I don't know what will I utter after 5 minutes. But yogis know. That is Parashakti. And that para, when it is stimulated in the Mooladhara, that Agni is pushed up from the Mooladhara, and then that Agni is pushed up by Vayu, and then Vayu comes until Hridaya, para pashyanti. That is called Anahata Dhvani. Anahatam means that Vayu is not hitting anything. And then finally it comes to the glottis. It comes to the glottis. Madhyama. And then once it touches different parts of our mouth, places of articulation and manner of articulation, where it touches in the mouth, whether in the glottis or in the palatal or in the alveolar or in the teeth or in the on the lips, place of articulation and manner of articulation, finally it becomes Vaikhari. The sound we hear from your mouth, that is called Vaikhari. But para, Pashyanti, Madhyama and Vaikhari. Again you can see this in the Lalita Sahasranama also. So Prakati Kurta Vaikhari Swabhava. If I can utter good words from my mouth, that is because of Ganapati Krupa. That is because of Ganapati Krupa. And then Parabhava Prasiddha Gajagriva. And of course Prasiddha Gajagriva. Vikata Shatshata Swasadhikara. Shatshata Swasadhikara. There are 600 Swasas. 600 Swasa means inhale and exhale, breathings. So these 600 Swasas are important for vak. And these Ganapati is the Adhikari for all these Swasas. It means only with the Ganapati Krupa we can speak well. If you want to speak well, you have to have Ganapati Krupa. Otherwise you cannot speak well. Prakat Vikata Shatshata Swasadhikara Vichitrakara Bhaktopakara. Vichitra Rupam Bhakta Upakara. And then Akalanka Vibhaswara Vishveshwara Hara Guru Guha Sodara Lambodara. Akalanka Vibhaswara. And pure in color, so white in color. And then Vishveshwara, Lord of the universe. So these are all adjectives, but what he says in this Kriti is, without Ganapati Krupa we cannot get good vak. We cannot even start the Upasana. For the Upasana, first the Mooladhara Pradesha, Mooladhara Sthana, it should be stimulated. And Mooladhara Adhipati is Ganapati. Without Ganapati Krupa, the Upasana cannot begin even. So after that, finally, Subramanya, his favorite god, Subramanya.